In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft with keyboard and mouse on Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up a keyboard and mouse so you can play Minecraft on your Nintendo Switch. So as you might be aware, natively, Minecraft on the Switch does not support keyboard and mouse. However, by using the adapter in this video, you will be able to set them up. So you will need to purchase an adapter, like this one. This is the one that I'm going to be recommending in this video, but you can find alternatives. This one is called the VX2 Aimbox. As you can see, it is a keyboard and mouse adapter, and it works not only with the Switch, but also PlayStation, Xbox consoles, and so on. So purchase one of these VX2 Aimboxes on places like Amazon, and you will be able to use it with your Nintendo Switch. So as you can see, it is available here on the list of compatible consoles. All that you have to do now is plug this into the Nintendo Switch. However, this has to be done on the dock, so keep that in mind. Because of this, not every single Switch model is going to be compatible with the V2 Aimbox. It is unfortunate, but I believe this is still the most convenient way to get this done. So you plug this into any of the available ports on the dock, and now make sure that you dock your Nintendo Switch. With the Aimbox connected into the Nintendo Switch dock, you can now go ahead and connect your keyboard and your mouse. You will usually see these icons here to indicate what can be connected into each of these ports, so make sure that you connect the keyboard and mouse combo accordingly. Once you have the keyboard and the mouse connected to the VX2 Aimbox, now power on your Nintendo Switch. As long as it is in the dock with the VX2 connected, you will be able to set up the keyboard and mouse. There are some additional settings that you have to change, so during the stage you will still have to use your controller most likely. Go over to the settings, choose controllers and sensors, and make sure that Pro Controller wired communication is enabled. After this is enabled, go into the first option, change grip/order. Now press any button on your keyboard, and as long as it is connected, it will be detected. It will appear as USB underneath the controller, which indicates that keyboard and mouse is good to go, properly set up. Now if you go inside of Minecraft or any other game, you will be able to play using your keyboard and mouse. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft with keyboard and mouse on Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.